Hello, I'm Dr. Barry Pecos, York Region's Medical Officer of Health. In today's update, I'd like to summarize a few areas of the pandemic, where we now are, and some of our plans for the immediate future as we continue to live with and manage COVID-19. COVID-19 transmission remains high and is increasing again in our community. Our wastewater surveillance in York Region, and indeed across Ontario, is showing a significant and sustained signal increase. We did expect to see this after reopening last month and with the recent removal of mask mandates. Fortunately, thanks to our exceptional vaccine coverage, we're not yet seeing a significant increase in other indicators, including hospitalizations, ICU admissions, deaths, and outbreaks in institutional settings. In York Region, these metrics are stable. However, in some other regions in Ontario, we are seeing increases in these areas. Last week, when mask mandates were lifted in most indoor settings across the province, including businesses and schools, many York Region residents continued to wear masks to protect themselves and to protect others. Thank you for this. Wearing a mask is now a personal decision, but this decision affects you and others. Whatever your choice, please remember to be kind. Everyone is fighting a different fight through this pandemic, and someone's choice to remain cautious could be for many reasons, including living with someone who is at high risk for greater complications or if they are immunocompromised themselves. I encourage everyone to continue wearing masks, particularly in settings where you're faced with the 3 C's: crowds, close contact, or confined spaces with potentially poor ventilation. I urge you to at least always have a mask with you. This way you can put it on as required. In certain places, like on public transit and in healthcare settings, including our own vaccination clinics, face masks are still required. Also, if you're recovering from a COVID-19 infection, please continue wearing your mask at least 5 days beyond your self-isolation period. If you're a close contact or are showing any signs of COVID-19, please stay home. Visit york.ca/COVID-19 positive for next steps and more information. In addition to masks, we know that the most important and the most effective measure to protect against severe outcomes of COVID-19 is getting vaccinated with your booster dose. There are still many clinics in York Region offering these vaccines. Many York Region residents, particularly those over age 60 or 70, are asking us about the 4th dose. While 4th doses are available to those who live in congregate care settings or who are severely immunocompromised, 4th doses are not available to others in Ontario at this time. The evidence on 4th doses is accumulating worldwide and looks very promising for those at higher risk, but it is not necessary for those in Ontario at this time. For now, it's 3rd doses that are critical for everyone, especially if your 2nd dose has been over 6 months ago. There is good evidence that the effectiveness of the vaccine does wane over time. With COVID-19 cases accelerating, the booster dose provides excellent coverage, even for those who've had COVID already. Please visit york.ca/COVID-19 vaccine to find the nearest clinic to you. Without additional protection from PPE, being triple vaccinated is the best defense against hospitalization from this virus. Please remember to stay safe, continue to be kind, and please get vaccinated.